So, we won today. Let's talk about what happened. Okay. Just got off my shift. It's fine, I won't be working for long. Hourly, 4 hour. What's going on here? Okay. What do we have? As you can see here, before market open, we broke structure to the downside, but then we broke structure back to the upside. And on here, same thing. We broke structure to the downside and we broke structure to the upside. So on the 4 hour, we are bearish, or sorry, we are bullish on both charts. Okay, hourly. What about the hourly? What's going on? Okay, so on the hourly, we're bullish on NASDAQ and bearish on ES. Okay, so we could still be going for continuation trades if we don't sweep out a higher time frame liquidity. What happens here? Okay, going into the day. Okay, we sweep out liquidity. Asian session law. Okay, so no more continuation models. If we had, let's say, went down something like this and then inverse this fair value gap right here, we could take that. But because we didn't do that, we swept out liquidity, we only have the regular model trade to work off of. Okay, so what happens? Okay, we're going to wait for some sort of 5-minute confluences. One of my 5-minute confluences that I use: break of structure, inverse fair value gap. Okay, so as you can see here, this is a high. We don't break above it until we get to this high. We don't break above it. We make this high. We break above it right here. Okay, now from 9:10, well 9:14, because that's what's it called, the last candle. That's finishing the break of structure. 9:14. Okay, we move to the 1-minute chart. 9:14, right here. Okay, so from this point on, we're looking for some sort of retracement that we can enter off of. What do we have? As you can see right here, it's very small, a little harder to spot, but we have a fair value gap that we made, right? Which is enough for me, even if it's only a tick or whatever, a fair value gap that's only about a tick big. That's still enough for me to enter off of. And as you can see, we inverse the fair value gap. I enter right here. We put it below this low. I'm not gonna put it below this low because that's stupid. And we put it to the next draw on liquidity. What was the next draw on liquidity? Right here, the Asian session high. Okay, and as you can see, ran pretty smooth. 2 TP. It went higher, but this was a pretty strong draw, especially on ES, because on the 4 hour we can actually see we had 4 hour equal highs. High here, perfectly equal. And that's why I targeted that. The 1.59 to 1. I'm going to pull up my trade sinker so you can see blah, 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 blah. You don't see shit. Fuck you. Dashboard. This is the current, what we're looking at. So far, I've won 3 this week. On my account, I am at 54,200 on my Apex PA. I am one winning trade away from taking that payout. It's a $1,500 payout. Even if I lose a couple of trades in a row, I'll still have enough to where, what's it called? I'll be able to do it fine. This month has been fucking crazy. Right? This is way different from, what's it called? Usual. Of course, it's going to slow down at some point, right? I'm going to start losing. I'm not going to fucking stay where it's 1 loss a month. Of course not. That's fucking insane. But to have only 1 loss so far and 6 wins, well, this should have been a win. That was just my bad. I should have fucking counted. It's fucking stupid. I just put a break even in and fuck my shit up. But no, this month has been insane, man. I'm just ready to keep going, man. That's it. Once I get this one payout, I'm building the... Oh, yeah. Oh, sorry. I forgot to show this as well. 1972.59. That's what I made. $1,900, almost $2,000 for the day. This is off 4 accounts, 4 prop accounts, which is a pretty normal number, right? Because if I'm risking $300 to $400, then going for a little bit above a 1-to-1, then my hair looks healthy as shit, don't it? Yeah. Sorry. But yeah. This win rate right here, this don't count. Okay, this one don't count. Okay. Don't pay attention to this one. Also, how the fuck am I not 100 out of 100? I've lost 1 time. Profit factor is 100. The win rate is at 96%. How the fuck am I not at 100? How is my win-loss at 83? Look at the difference. What the fuck? Hello? The fuck? But whatever. Whatever, dude. It's not that fucking deep. What's going on for tomorrow? I mean, from what I know, I mean, there's 7:30 news, but it's probably not going to be anything. My guess is, I mean, I could get a trade tomorrow. I might not. I know that this win streak is going to end at some point, right? Because I don't usually win this many in a row. So, I know at some point it's going to end, and that's okay, right? I'm fine with that. It's not that deep to me. But, oh yeah, I wanted to show this as well. This is currently on the Apex prop account, right? It doesn't technically have the, the payout information that I took out a certain amount. But so far on the prop account, this is currently where it's at. Yeah. Yeah, this is what I'm saying. I'm currently almost up as much as I was last month fully in the first 2 weeks of the month, right? This is an above average month easily, right? Easily an above average month so far. 70% win rate over, what do we have here? 30? No, not 30. Almost 30. 24 trades. 25 trades. Or 24, but almost 25 trades. I don't know, man. It's just insane to me, dude. Just... there's a lot of shit going on right now at my house, right, in my head. I'm okay. It's just weird to have it to where, like I said I was gonna do this shit, and now I'm doing it. Right? This is like, it's just a weird feeling. It's very surreal, right? I think it's definitely going to be even more surreal when I get a $1,500 payout and I have a second payout. Start building those. If I start getting those big boy payouts and that shit, like, starts hitting my account, man, I'm going to fucking flip the shit. I'm going to flip the fuck out, man. But regardless. Just make sure that you check on people, man. You never know when some shit might happen. Make sure to check on yourself too. Really, really make sure you check on yourself, man. Just, it's not good when you don't. I mean, this makes sense. This average win-loss makes sense because I'm risking. I'm going for 1-on-1s. The consistency is here. The win percentage is here. The profit factor and the recovery factor is here. The max drawdown, which is fucking crazy that this is, what's it called? The lowest I've been so far is $730, which is about 2 trades. It's about 2 trades. Yeah, literally, two days, 2 losing days in a row. That's it. This one, and then I made the money back, lost a little bit more, and then I made the money back. Man, just focus on you, man. It's so good to, you know how good it feels to be able to look at these shits and like, it's not back testing, bro. Anyways, going into my thoughts for tomorrow, I'm going to trade if I see an opportunity. I don't really care if it's a win or a loss or not. To be honest, if I'm expecting anything, I'm most likely expecting a loss probability-wise, because I've only lost 1 time so far this month. And I just wouldn't be surprised, right? Like, I'm not going to be fucking winning this much every fucking time, man. The month's never gonna be this fucking good all the time, so I'm okay with a loss. I'm okay with a couple of losses. It's not that deep to me. But that's where my headspace is at. Anyways, it's 2 a.m. I gotta wake up in the morning, make sure I'm okay. Anyways, I really love you guys. I love and appreciate you guys so much. I'm gonna talk to you later. Deuces, dog.